Thank you. What's holding us back from going from fossil fuels? The replacement. And we got it. Who are we? We're REAC Fuel. My name is Anders Kalius, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of the company. I'll take you through an example. If you be running the Swedish biggest ethanol production plant today, first generation, you'd be losing 200 million Swedish kronor a year. If you would use this one and convert it using our technology into something that would, instead of using ordinary food products, using wood instead, you'll be making 300 million a year. That's a payback of 3 years on that kind of technology conversion. But not only on the large installations, the technology works very well for small installations as well, so we can address the entire market. And just for ethanol, that's 100 billion a year. For chemicals, even larger. The technology that we do is really, we have a thermochemical process that converts wood into sugars. And with that sugar, you can then do plastics, ethanol, diesel, chemicals, and other things. Sugars are a really important intermediary for the renewables in general. The time now is great for the growth of the chemical industry for renewable chemicals, renewable fuels, etc. And therefore, in the next 18 months and 4 million euros, we will be building the first pilot plant, the big pilot plant that are going to do the industrial sales for us. So I invite you to join us in this tremendous growth industry. Thank you.
This power plant, is it a joint venture with someone out there, or will you do it all by yourself?
No, you have to do joint venture with different companies. I mean, if you do ethanol plant, for example, that's integration.
Yes.
So
actually, where will it be placed, and who are you working with there?
We're working with different partners. I cannot disclose the names of the partnerships that we have, but both within the fuels industry, the biogas industry, the chemical industry. So, and they're placed in Sweden and abroad. So, different versions. But integration is very important for the energy need.
So, if you raise 4 million euros, will you then have proven your process on a full-scale level?
Yes, we will. Both from the technology standpoint, but also to be able to, we'll skid mount it, which is you can move it into containers, so you can move it to a customer site and run it there. For example, going to China is one possibility.
You're essentially producing a feedstock, which could be used in various ways. What makes you so sure that you should go into large plants rather than perhaps specialty chemicals or
well,
plastics,
even there, especially chemicals, and using wood and turning into sugars, are 50,000 tons or so a year. That's a normal size plant of that. Going into fuels, you need 3 million tons a year. So, I mean, we have the technology for smaller plants and for larger plants.
Okay, thank you very much.